There's the leak right there. There's the leak right there. Wow, it's hard to believe that this is what was hiding in. All right, place your bets now. I'll come back in a few days. Wow, look at this pond. All right, so I'm gonna try to pull these last few trees. Come on out of there. Nope, not yet. Woo-hoo! All right, there we got it. Now working on clearing some more trees. I could open up the view so we could see this. This thing is littered with deer tracks. Even after yesterday I was here, the whole pond dam was full of new deer tracks. All right, that stuff is getting really soft. I'm gonna try to take the excavator on there and just kind of compact it a little bit with the bucket. I think it'll hit the spillway now. All right, just one last ditch idea. Probably should have done this sooner, but I'm going to try to get down to the bottom here and rework, see if I can't cut that leak out of the bottom here, because I got pretty decent clay that I had packed in there, so I could pull that out and try to stuff it back in, and like I said, I might get lucky. There's a big tree root right there. Might get lucky and get it patched up. So here we are at the very bottom. That's a tree root coming right out of the pond dam, or right into it. So down here is where the water was coming. I'm going to dig down a little farther. There's the leak right there. There's the leak right there. Just started pouring. I wasn't low enough. So like I said, I might, there it is. Right there. If I can get it patched up back here, I've done it before. Yep, right there it is. So I'm going to take this in a few feet and then try to plug it up. See there, I pinched it off accidentally right there, but it's all right, now I see it. Yeah, there it is, right there. I don't know if you could see it, it's coming out. See it just eking out the dirt right there. See, and I was up there. I mean, that's 12 foot up. I want to try to save that dirt, and I'm going to pull that clay down that I had tried to pack on it, but I wasn't getting it low enough. And then I could put this stuff back on. Like I said, this ain't the preferred way, but if I could stop it now and it continues to settle all winter, it might pinch down the little seam throughout the pond dam. There it is, still coming. I mean, it's just lower than where I was packing. I say just lay here on top. Second one. Alright, well, hang this 200. Get off there. Let the heat come from. Pull a little more of that stuff down. Like I said, this is not ideal, the backside, but it's not impossible. It could work. Alright, well I found clean clay right here below the surface. And it's a little bit drier, so we'll see what happens. If I could get a couple feet of plug over it, it just might hold it. Okay, you can see I got quite the plug going here. Probably at least 3 feet out this way. So now I could start piling more up on the top and it'll catch there. I got a little shelf. I'm running out of dirt to scab down here. Just going to build up the bottom here a little bit so that if we do get a few dry weeks here during the winter and this holds, well then I can make it wider back here from the top, bringing new dirt in. Alright, I got this all just about reshaped down here, so there's not going to be a pothole of water here. This is the spillway, comes around right here and down through the woods there. So this ain't gonna mess with nothing. Not gonna have a pothole of water here. We'll see in a few days if it pops its way through. All right, let's get up out of here now. You can see how tall the pond dam is. Alright, I'm going to try to pull these last few trees so we could open up the view from the house where we could see this pond. The first one is a nasty locust and then a couple big cedars. Not yet. Woo-hoo! Not yet. All right, one down. Almost. Let's see your tree thing on. All right, now let's see your go. Oh, come on, baby. Tip. 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 Oh. Got him on the ropes. Big one. Yeah, it's stuck. Alright, let me work this for a while. This one was a pain right here. Yeah, now we're almost stuck in there. I think I got them loose now. Wow. try to lose a little bit of this weight on the bottom and then drag it out of here. Wow, it's hard to believe that this is what was hiding in the woods. I had no idea until I accidentally found the pond dam. So I got this whole front end open. Here's the spillway right here. Goes around down the back. Not sure if I got day 6 or 5 or 7 on this so far, but we'll keep after it. But man, looks a lot better, and I'll be able to watch it right from the house. Very cool. Alright, I just buttoned up that pond patch up an hour or 2 ago. The tractor's still out there. And man, we're getting a downpour, so fingers crossed, we're going to see what's going to happen in a couple days. Woo! Yep. We'll see what happens. All right, here we are 2 days after I finally buttoned it up. We got pretty good rain event. It's coming up, but we're going to check in on it a few more times here. Oh, and here's a look at my food plot. This was the first day our deer hunters got into town, November 15th. Plots did pretty good. My hard work did pay off for us, but that'll be a whole nother topic. Wow, look at this pond. Wonder, it looks like it might have hit the spillway, so I might have had a success. Let's go see. Yeah, I built that dam up high enough. It's hard to say, but it might have run over a little. It's the spillway right here. Good. Well, it should hold for the winter now. I mean, I'm not positive. I'd like to see all the way on the spillway. Now that I'm looking at it, I think it needs to come up another foot or so. Alright, well, yeah, I'm sure it's going to keep raining. It's December 18th, I think. Here's the back of the pond dam after my last round of work. Trying to see if it hit the spillway. We got more rain in the last few days. It's up higher than last time. Now it's getting dangerous. And it's still got a ways to go before it's going to hit the spillway. So it still may blow out on me this winter yet. Either that or I take the spillway down just a little, which I might do that. I mean, it could come up maybe another 6 inches or so, but to hit this spillway, I think it's going to need more than that, because it comes up right here and then it starts going down right about there. Well, shucks. And this is all going to be so soft right now, I won't be able to get on it at all, but it's pretty. Just this pond is really pretty, considering what it was 2-3 months ago.